Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some other question and answers of your NCERT textbook, chapter 1, crop production and management. Let's start with question number 6. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. The answer is the supply of water to crops at regular interval is called irrigation. The two methods of irrigation are sprinkler method and drip system. First one, sprinkler method. This system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having rotational nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. It gets sprinkled on the crop as if it is raining. Sprinkler is very useful for lawns, coffee plantation and several other crops. Second one is drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop directly near the roots. So it is called drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens and trees. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in the regions where availability of water is poor. The seventh question is explain how soil get affected by the continuous plantation of crops in a field. The answer is plantation of crops in a field continuously can make the soil infertile as plants absorb minerals and nutrients. The nutrient content in the soil go on decreasing. The eighth question is what are weeds? How can we control them? The answer is in a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. Farmers adopt many ways to remove weeds and control their growth. Tilling before showing off crops help in uprooting and killing of weeds which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. The manual removal includes physical removal of weeds by uprooting them or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. This is done with the help of khurpi. A seed drill is also used to uproot weeds. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicide. Thank you everyone. In the next video, we will discuss the question and answers of next chapter. So keep studying and stay safe.